learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, it's time for Practical Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是林泽修 Joseph Lin. And this is the month of September, which is also the month of Full Moon Festival. 在月底的时候呢，就是我们的中秋节了。And during Full Moon Festival, a lot of things you can do. Eat moon cakes, gaze at the moon, and also enjoy some great pomelo. And let's teach you terms associated with Full Moon Fest, but also keep in mind this month's theme is 来不及了 I'm late. 怎么说？敷唔菜嘞。OK， 这个来不及了，跟月饼跟中秋节怎么会有关系呢？
有关系啊！如果来不及了，你就吃不到啊。
对 ，because it's so popular. This is such an important festival or holiday. A lot of people buy your mooncakes early on, and sometimes 会订不到 You can't find the right mooncakes, right? Okay, 好 So let's teach you some of these terms. First of all, how about 我们先从月饼开始好 Mooncakes, how do you say that?
捏饼
捏饼就是月饼对不对 That's the mooncake, 捏饼那除了月饼之外呢当然非常必需品呢就是柚子一定要买这个好吃这个时候又甜又香 Okay? The pomelo is very abundant during this period of time So let's teach you how to say that 柚这都好简单哦柚跟捏饼
对那海陆腔的柚子柚
儿好像是嫦娥 It's a different dialect for saying the pomelo, okay? Alright, now, again, during this period of time, a lot of people buy mooncakes. So sometimes if you go to a shop too late, like only 3 days away from 中秋节 Full Moon Fest, you might not be able to buy your mooncakes. So let's say 卖完了 We've been sold out.
卖太太就是卖完了卖掉啦
卖到太掉了呀对不对卖太太
你说就是很多人排队都轮不到我们了就卖光了卖完了
Okay, again, that's 卖太太 Okay, that means we're sold out. All right, let's make a phrase out of one of these vocabulary here. Go ahead, 我们就用卖完来造个句好了哈。
好啊。
来不及了，已经卖完了。Okay, you're too late. We've been sold out.
敷唔菜
的，
卖太太。
买太太哦，就把它聚在一起就好了，对不对？
敷唔菜的，买太太。
敷唔菜的，买太太。Okay, that means I'm sorry, it's too late. We've been sold out. All right, let's review all these terms for Full Moon Fest. 柚子 that's pomelo. 柚子 and then the mooncake 月饼。捏饼 and finally we've been sold out. 卖完。买太太 And there you go. It's all about practical Hakka here on FM 100.
什么太嘎？
俺是谁张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.